Hello and welcome to Razzmatazz with Rashi. I'm extremely excited to present another season of author interviews in association with Blog Chatter. You'll get to meet wonderful authors and know more about their lives and the new books that they're coming up with. The links would be provided in the description of every video, so don't forget to check that. Now, without wasting any time, let's welcome the first guest of the season. She is the winner of TOI Write India Season 3, a professional content writer and an avid reader. She is an MBA graduate and has worked as an HR with companies like Whirlpool and Infosys. Later, she decided to take a break from her career and travel places with her family. She is a mother of a 12-year-old and writes passionately on her blog, My Views and Reviews. So let's welcome the author of the book, Around the World Through My Lens, Jyoti Jha.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Jha. I am a creative and content writer and I blog at My Views and Reviews. First of all, thank you so much Rashi for having me here at your show Razzmatazz with Rashi. I am so glad to be recording this video for you. Today I will be talking about my ebook that was launched at Blog Chatter ebook Carnival recently. Traveling teaches beyond books, creates memories, learnings, and experiences. I have had the honor and pleasure of staying at 3 different continents and visit some amazing places in the last 14 years. Recently, while I participated in the A to Z challenge, I wrote about 26 of those amazing places and my memories and experiences with them. With the pandemic hitting our beautiful globe around the same time, I was initially disheartened to see how the world was brought to its knees. But I also believe that hope prevails above all. The world will be up and running again, this too shall pass, and all the amazing places would be accessible yet again. Until then, keeping the motivation high for seeing the world once again, and with this thought, I launched my ebook at the Blog Chatter ebook Carnival. In this book, I have compiled some mesmerizing places from near and far India, USA, Europe, and Japan, and the wonderful tourist attractions that those places have to offer. I have had some lovely feedbacks and recommendations for my book already from people who have downloaded it and read it. One person says, grab a copy of this book because once the balance is restored in this world, you are going to want to travel again. And this book might just come in handy and be quite useful to plan your venture. Thank you so much, Tanima, for this beautiful and lovely recommendation.
You are absolutely correct, Jyoti. Because of this pandemic, traveling is out of question. Now, by reading your book, it will definitely give us hope to at least plan where to go next. So tell me, Jyoti, when did you start writing and what inspires you to write more?
I have been an avid reader, and in the recent past, I realized while books are enriching, writing makes one feel liberated. I love communicating through written world, and my journey of writing began when I started writing some movie reviews. Those reviews were well appreciated, and with the continuous encouragement and support from my family and friends, I started my blog where I write about anything and everything.
I can't agree more with you. Writing definitely is liberating. And now, Jyoti, I just can't wait for you to read a few lines from your book.
Today, I would love to read 2 extracts from my ebook, Around the World Through My Lens. I visited Andaman only last year with my family, and it was a wonderful experience where I created some cherished memories of my trip and the beautiful place. My first extract I am going to read is from our last day of the trip at the amazing Andaman. Goodbye, Andaman, till we meet again. imbibing the vibrations of this paragon of scenic beauty sprinkled across Bay of Bengal, rejoicing in the picturesque extravaganza of white sandy stretches, glistening clear waters fringed with opulent forestry, paying homage to our freedom fighters, revisiting history, admiring the natural formations, regarding the tribal inhabitants, interacting with warm, friendly people of the place, and creating cherished memories. We said adieu to Andaman, a place which has plenty to offer to all type of travelers and is a home to all. I lived in the UK for about 5 years and along the way created a loving memory with the people, the place, my family and friends. My second extract that I'm going to read today, it is from one of the stunning cities of this country. The largest city and the capital of England, a city where River Thames meanders through numerous landmarks and attractions sprawled across the area. A vibrant city with diverse culture and inclusive approach, that is London. We lived in Sutton, a large principal town in outer London and which was less than an hour from London city. Spending a good 5 years residing in close vicinity of this exciting city, we had abundant opportunity to explore the city on several occasions. Life, movement, noise, energy, architecture, monuments, rivers and bridges, shops and cafes, restaurants and pubs, undergrounds and tubes, double decker buses, busy streets, and flocks of friendly pigeons. For more fun and to see the world through my lens, do download a copy of my ebook from the Blog Chatter website. The ebook is available for free download for a limited time. Thank you once again, Rashi, for inviting me here to your show, Razmitas with Rashi. Take care. Wishing you all well. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Bye bye.
That was lovely. And it was so wonderful to have you on my show. I'll come up with another wonderful author in the next episode. So stay tuned and keep watching Razmadas with Rashi.